IRLOCKER is a modern locker vending machine designed for managing charging, rental, ordering, and servicing of power tools, handheld scanners, and similar devices. It ensures that employees always have access to functional and ready-to-use tools. Available in both indoor and outdoor versions, the machine is also an ideal smart solution for dispensing and returning products of non-standard sizes. Simply log in using a PIN, RFID card, QR, or barcode, select the product from an intuitive menu, and retrieve it once the door automatically opens. Returning products is just as quick and easy. IRLOCKER offers complete configuration flexibility. Customize its dimensions, the number and size of compartments, and even add drawers. Select the appropriate number and type of charging ports in each compartment, and we will design and build an electrical installation that ensures safe and reliable charging of tools stored in the machine. IRSYSTEM is our proprietary cloud-based software for managing all IRMATIC machines. It's available on any device with a web browser and internet connection, providing complete control over employee access to specific products and the ability to set withdrawal limits. The system continuously monitors inventory levels, automatically generating orders when stocks run low and submitting them directly to suppliers or to the purchasing department for approval. IRSYSTEM also provides comprehensive analytical data through reports generated based on custom criteria. Find out how the IRLOCKER can streamline your business operations. Visit IRMATIC.com to schedule a free consultation and presentation at our showroom.